Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add link to your image on Wix Store. So at first head over to your dashboard and then click on edit site and it should bring you to your site. So suppose I want my link to be on this image. If they click on this one, all I'll do is just click on this pencil button over here and then you'll see this option called manage media. Just click on that one. And then this should pop up, and in this image we want the link to be. So if you scroll down, you're going to see a link called page women, and if you want to change this, just click on this button over here, and whatever you want, if you want it to take you to a page, it's all over there, or any web address, you can just paste the link of that URL. Basically this is the URL, just paste it, whatever URL you want over here. If you want it in a new window or current window, a new window is a better option. And then once you're done, you just click on done and then done over here, and this is how you can do it. And finally publish. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.